If you're looking for ways to unlock the full potential of your USA-made Carbide Burrs, you're in for a treat. These versatile rotary tools aren't just for machinists. They're the secret weapon in any DIYer's or hobbyist's arsenal. Today, we'll dive into 5 incredible projects you can tackle using Carbide Burrs, from customizing a steel knife to sculpting a stunning wooden bowl, and even giving your car engine a performance boost. Whether you're new to rotary tools or a seasoned maker, these projects will ignite your creativity and show you just how far your Carbide Burrs can take you. Let's start with engraving a steel knife. Imagine turning a plain blade into a personalized masterpiece. Begin by selecting a fine point or tapered Carbide burr. These shapes are perfect for detailed line work. Secure your knife blade in a sturdy clamp to keep it steady. Next, lightly sketch your design onto the blade with a marker. With your rotary tool at a medium speed, carefully trace your design, letting the Carbide burr do the work. Use gentle, even pressure, and make multiple passes for deeper, more defined lines. For shading or texturing, switch to a ball-nose burr and use small, circular motions. When you're done, clean the blade and admire your custom engraving. A unique piece that's as functional as it is beautiful. Next up, sculpting a wooden bowl. Carbide burrs aren't just for metal, they excel at shaping and carving wood too. Start with a block of hardwood. Use a large, coarse ball-nose burr to hollow out the center, moving in slow, sweeping motions. The rounded shape of the ball nose makes it easy to create smooth, curved surfaces. Once the interior is hollowed, switch to a tapered burr to refine the edges and carve decorative patterns on the rim. For intricate detailing or texture, a small flame-shaped burr is ideal. Sand the bowl to a smooth finish and apply a food-safe oil to bring out the natural grain. In just a few hours, you'll have a handcrafted bowl that's equal parts art and utility. For automotive enthusiasts, porting a car engine cylinder head is a game-changer. This advanced project uses Carbide burrs to smooth and enlarge the intake and exhaust ports, improving airflow and boosting engine performance. Begin by disassembling the cylinder head and securing it on your workbench. Use a long-reaching cylindrical burr to remove rough casting marks and open up the ports. A tapered burr helps you reach tighter corners and refine the contours. Work slowly, frequently checking your progress against templates or measurements. Once the ports are smooth and even, clean out any debris and reassemble the engine. The result? Enhanced horsepower and a deeper understanding of your engine's inner workings. If you love jewelry making, Carbide burrs can help you craft custom metal pendants. Cut a blank from a sheet of brass or copper. Use a small ball nose burr to carve out intricate patterns, borders, or even your initials. For adding texture, a flame-shaped burr creates a hammered, organic look. Smooth the edges with a fine-point burr, then polish the pendant for a professional finish. Attach a jump ring and chain, and you've got a one-of-a-kind accessory that's sure to turn heads. Finally, bring your creativity to glass by etching unique designs onto drinking glasses or vases. Use a diamond-coated Carbide burr for best results. Clean and dry the glass, then secure it to prevent slipping. Lightly sketch your design with a marker and gently trace it with the rotary tool at a low speed. The Carbide burr will create a frosted, opaque effect wherever it touches the glass. Rinse the glass, remove any residue, and enjoy your custom-etched creation. With USA-made Carbide burrs, the only limit is your imagination. From metalwork and woodworking to engine tuning and glass art, these tools empower you to create, customize, and innovate like never before. So grab your rotary tool, choose the right burr shape for your project, and start making something extraordinary today. Use our coupon below to get 10% off your next purchase.